That IAM file is an Autodesk Inventor Assembly, a 3D mechanical assembly, bringing together multiple component parts into one cohesive design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or troubleshoot this assembly file. We're tackling this IAM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. IAM files are Autodesk Inventor Assembly files that bring together multiple IPT part files and sub-assemblies into a complete mechanical assembly. They store component placement assembly constraints, motion relationships, and design view representations. Autodesk Inventor IAM files use parametric assembly constraints to define how components fit together. They reference external IPT part files and sub-assemblies. The assembly file stores positional and relational data, while actual geometry resides in the reference part files. For full compatibility with IAM, use the proprietary Autodesk Inventor developed by Autodesk Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows can't render their full mesh or model data, so complete analysis must be done in a CAD tool. Your first step towards data access. Right-click the IAM file and select Open With. If Autodesk Inventor is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the IAM file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since this IAM format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, opening IAM files. Open IAM files using Autodesk Inventor or Autodesk Inventor. View the free viewer application. Ensure all referenced IPT part files are accessible in the expected project paths. Missing components appear as suppressed or orange highlighted in the browser tree. Next, resolving missing references. If components are missing, use the Design Assistant under the File menu to locate and relink missing IPT files. Alternatively, right-click missing components in the model browser and select Find File to manually browse for relocated part files. Finally, exporting for sharing. Export the IAM assembly to STEP or IGES format using File, then export for sharing with users of other CAD systems. Use the Pack and Go function to bundle all referenced IPT files with the IAM for transfer to collaborators or archival purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.